Blockeneers, today we're going to unbox the MEL Chemistry Starter Kit. Stop! Hello Blockeneers, today we're going to unbox the MEL Chemistry Starter Kit. If you like what you see, you can purchase this at the link in the description. And now we're going to open this big box up.
I don't exactly call it big.
Alright. So inside, there's a VR headset. Okay, this looks like the first experiment.
Reset and go.
Hello Blockeneers, today we're going to unbox the MEL Chemistry Starter Kit. Okay. If you liked what you see, you can...
Alright, start.
Hello Blockeneers, today we're going to unbox the MEL Chemistry Starter Kit. If you like what you see, you can purchase this at the link in the description.
And now we're gonna open the huge box.
Okay, so let's see what's inside. MEL Chemistry is a monthly subscription you can get, and every month you'll be receiving a pack of 2 to 3 experiments that will look like this. So this is the first experiment pack. It's called Chemistry of Monsters, and this might be what we'll be creating. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see what it says on the back. Okay. So we'll be making 2 experiments in this one. First is the sugar snake, which will take 30 minutes, and then a foam eruption, which will take 15 minutes. And there's a whole list of contents of what's inside on the back. Okay.
Oh, there's a VR headset.
Okay, this is a VR headset, so we'll probably see what this is about later on. But what I will say is when we did the MEL Kids review, their app had augmented reality. It didn't come with the headset, but there was augmented reality, AR. So this is VR. Okay.
Virtual reality.
Huh?
Virtual reality. You said that right? VR stands for virtual.
I'll do that again.
All right.
Next is the VR headset. And this is a virtual reality headset. In MEL Kids, when we did the review, their app had an augmented reality section without a headset, but now it's virtual reality. Okay,
Let's put it to the side.
next is
What looks like a big, huge.
I can get it up.
Just flip the box over.
All right, here we go.
Oh, okay. I think that works too.
And now, goodbye with the cardboard box. Okay, so this is the starter kit. Warning, this set contains chemicals that may be harmful if misused. Read the instructions carefully. All right, let's open this. Over here is an instruction booklet, and it says, read the instructions before use, follow them, and keep them for reference. Okay, so there's precautions, safety. The first section is safety. Okay, it's saying to keep a nice table for a workplace. Safety requirements. Don't eat or drink. Always wear protective glasses, which will be included, I think. Keep a careful eye on small children and always wash your hands after the experiment. And then there's first aid measures, information for parents. And then it says that everything in here is safe to use if we use it correctly. Okay. Battery safety precautions, safety glasses, specification. Welcome to the wonderful world of chemistry. Okay. So now we're done with the safety section. halfway through the booklet, I guess. And then subscription. If you're reading these words, this means you have subscribed to MEL Chemistry. How does this subscription work? Alright, this just tells you how the subscription works. What is included in the first shipment? Alright, so the first shipment is this starter kit, and of course we'll be showing you everything in there. So I'll get to that later on. And then, before you start, okay, we have to, alright, it's saying that all chemists need a workplace to perform their experiments, and we're going to need a plastic tray to conduct our experiments, which are included in the starter kit. And chemists also need a place with good ventilation, protective gloves, goggles, and wet coats. But they say that for MEL Chemistry, you will not need protective coats because it's not that dangerous. Okay. Oh, all right. This is you've performed your experiments. What's next? Check out our website at melscience.com to learn more about science behind your experiments. Each experiment page includes the following sections: a video instruction, safety, FAQ, step-by-step instruction, expected result, disposal, scientific description, which will tell what our experiments are about, and follow-up. Oh, okay, they also have an app, which will take a closer look at the molecules we're working with. So we'll get the MEL Chemistry app, and it will look something like this. So we can take a closer look at these elements and stuff we're working with, I guess. So this is just a general instruction book. We might need to go back to it later on. But now I'm going to see what's in the rest of this box.
2 glasses.
Pause. Yeah, cool.
So here are the 2 safety glasses.
Goggles. Safety glasses? Goggles? I'm not sure.
They look like
They're supposed to be different sizes, I think. Right, for example. Okay.
And here's the plastic tray that they were talking about in the book.
Alright, so this is where we'll be doing our experiments. In the plastic tray. Let's move this off to the side.
Oh, it's these rubber things, like MEL kits. Remember?
Oh.
These rubber
Okay, they had these rubbery blue things in MEL kits, and they have them here too. I'm not exactly sure what this is about, and we might not even need it for today's experiments.
Oh, a little funnel?
Funnel?
Oh, I need a
So these are just all the equipments that are necessary for performing our
and
experiments.
these 2.
Funnel?
This is more like a funnel.
Oh, this is a vial. This
What?
is a glass vial.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure if this is glass, but it is a vial. And this is what we'll use to pour things in to make measurements. Okay.
And a bunch of measuring cups, I think, are in here. It's hard to get it out.
Measuring.
Ah!
Okay. Oh, wow, this is a lot of measuring cups. What in the world? So many. Oh, no. There's just one measuring cup and a whole bunch of cups.
No, 2 measuring cups.
Look at all these cups.
2
It's a lot of cups. So we'll probably be needing these to pour stuff in later.
What's this?
Okay, this measures in milliliters. This measures in milliliters. Just one looks like glass, and one is kind of plasticky.
What's this? Oh, it's one.
Oh, they have things here.
Oh,
have
this
the-
is a little stand.
Is it a stand?
stand? Because you can stretch it out.
Hold on,
Because they
I'm
have
not
those
I'm not
things.
sure. This is
Just to let you know, you don't want to break what's still
a
inside the
cork
box.
hot pot stand. No, this is a smartphone stand, I think. It's either a smartphone stand or a cork hot pot stand,
But then what's
according to the contents.
But then what's
This one, oh wow, this looks like if I drop it, it will break. This, I'm not sure. Is it a pocket stove? Maybe.
And
It's made of metal.
oh, this is the clamp. The clamp.
Oh, this is a clamp. Yeah, probably
Those.
it says macro on the side, so it's probably a lens, macro lens maybe.
Cup stand.
This kind of looks like a coaster. Here, I'm not sure about this one.
Rubbers.
Okay, and on the contents, it said that there's 45 of these disposable cups.
And last but not least, I don't know what this is.
Oh, whoa. Oh, wow. This is
The metal.
This is something that's kind of hard to get out, but it's definitely made of metal or something.
Here.
How do we get this?
Pull it down. Yeah, maybe. Gentle. That's what was sticking. All that bony thingy sticky.
Okay. It looks like we'll need to wash this because it was really hard to get out and something stuck to it.
At least we got it out. It isn't sticky though.
Okay.
Anyway, that's all there is. Experiment time.
Oh,
Ooh.
hold on. It says that this glass flask, where is it? Here. This is for heating. And then another thing that's for heating is the glass beaker. I guess this one. So the glass can be for heating. And this plastic beaker is not for heating. Okay. That's it. So that is our unboxing of the MEL Starter Kit. I'm still not completely sure what all these things are, but we might find out in our Chemistry of Monsters when we do the experiments. So this starter kit will come along with your first experiment pack. And then after that, you can use the starter kit for all future experiment packs. Okay. And now we're going to do the Chemistry of Monsters.
Okay, 1,
This
2,
is so
3,
tiny.
cheese.
So today.
Alright, look here. Go.
Now we're going to take a look at the MEL Chemistry Virtual Reality app. So we put our phone inside this VR headset, and the other things the VR headset has is these two lenses to put our eyes through, of course, and a button to select things, for example, on a menu. Okay.
Okay, it says autumns. So I guess I have to choose which one.
Wait, they don't even understand what.
I'm doing the screen recording.
But I can't see it.
Yeah, well, don't press anything yet, but we'll give it to
Atoms and solids, atoms and gases, atoms, structure.
Hold on, let me see.
Wait. And then the fourth one I can't
What are
see.
autumn? Oh, atoms. A-T-O-M-S. Atoms and... Okay, so there is a menu. I guess we're supposed to pick one of the 6 options. The options are atoms and solids, atoms and gases, atom structure, orbital. It's too blurry. Can you fix it? I can barely read it.
Go.
Okay, so the menu has 6 options that we can click on. We're going to choose the first one, which is atoms and solids. And since brother really wants the headset, we'll let him press it.
Okay, went dark. And
Okay,
I
just
pressed it.
So now we have to wait, I guess.
Okay, let's go a little bit to your left. Because you're, yeah. A little bit more.
Waiting. Wait, it's still black.
Just let it. What? What is this thing? It's pitch dark. Pitch dark. Oh, there.
Try it.
Oh, I think it's one of those thingies that you like. One of those. Right?
Oh, periodic table?
Uh-huh. Periodic table. Elements.
Okay. Okay, so right now it's showing the crown of Queen Mary. Let me see. Where do I click? I don't know.
Pick a pair.
Beep, 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 beep,
Pick
beep,
an
beep, beep,
element.
I can't. It's showing the crown of Queen Mary.
What? What? What's the crown of Queen Mary?
Here,
What?
give me the headset.
Turn around. Maybe you see something?
Nope. Just in front. You see the wonderful crown of Queen Mary.
What?
I don't understand.
Really wonderful.
It doesn't make sense. You can't click anything and you're seeing the crown of Queen Mary.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see black pebbles. Oh, we're zooming in. Oh,
Let me
what's
see.
the black
Let me see.
pebbles?
Oh wow, it's zooming in on, are these atoms?
Or maybe,
Yes, molecules or atoms. Wow.
Well, now I see they're all connected. Oh, there's a repeat button, there's a pause button, there's a skip button, and there's an exit button on the bottom.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's pause it. Oh, now the whole picture froze.
Go.
It's time to unbox.
And go.
It's time to unbox the chemistry of monsters. So, over here, okay, the list shows everything the set contains and everything we'll need from the starter kit. And we'll need to prepare in advance granulated sugar, a big bowl, and matches. Matches? Okay.
Maybe fire matches.
Maybe we'll be making fire. Woohoo! Wait, hold on.
Dangerous, woohoo.
Wait, hold on.
Just pull it out. Okay. Welcome to science. There's a bunch of languages on how to say welcome.
Alright, before you start, secure your smartphone or tablet on the stand provided. Launch the MEL Chemistry app. Stick thermo stickers on all heated equipment. push down and turn. Oh, and to open a bottle, push down and turn, pierce the membrane in the nozzle. What? Okay, anyways, there are 2 experiment booklets. One is the foam eruption, which has a difficulty 2 out of 3 and danger 1 out of 3. And the description is foam erupts out of a flask like real lava. Here's the picture.
It takes 15 minutes.
It takes 15 minutes. And for the safety, we have to put on protective gloves and eyewear and conduct the experiment on the plastic tray.
Oh, they provide us.
Then there are step-by-step instructions on what to do.
They
And on the back, I guess it shows you how the experiment works. Maybe?
they provide us.
Oh,
the
okay.
protective gloves.
Yeah, these are the protective gloves that we'll probably need in both experiments. And it looks like there's a small and a large. Hold on. The next booklet is
The box sideways.
The next booklet is the sugar snake. And this one also has a difficulty of 2 out of 3, but the danger is 3 out of 3. And the duration is 30 minutes. Safety. Put on protective gloves and eyewear, conduct the experiment on a plastic tray and in a well-ventilated area. And then we have to keep a bowl of water nearby because we're working with fire. Okay?
Oh, that's what
Oh, they also have disposal instructions on both. So for the foam, it was dispose of solid waste together with household garbage, pour solutions down the sink. Wash with an excess of water. This one says dispose of solid waste together with household garbage.
Oh, here's all the.
Okay, and then here's the instructions. Oh, this one has more instructions on the back, I guess.
I think these are what we need to make the experiments. All these things.
What?
All these.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of... We better not drop these. Okay, so over here is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. And there's also citric acid, which is C6H8O7.
4 wooden sticks.
Wait, there's another pack. This one has sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, which means baking soda, and another bottle of baking soda. Okay.
This looks like one of those shop things, except you measure this.
Oh, on the back of the bottle, they tell you if whatever's in here is dangerous. So, for example, the baking soda is not dangerous, but the sodium carbonate causes serious eye irritation if in eyes. So does the citric acid.
Here, it's one of these shop things.
Hold on, there's one more. This one's the same thing, sodium carbonate and citric acid. And there's also anthocyanin, which is in the black bottle. And this one is not hazardous because it is a food colorant. So I guess they put it in food. So the only hazardous substances in this one look like the citric acid and the sodium carbonate, and they're only harmful if they're in our eyes. But that's fine because we'll be wearing protective goggles. What else is there? Liquid soap. Okay. You can feel the liquid in here. Oh, also, what's this? Solid fuel. This is flammable solid. Keep away from heat, hot surfaces, sparks, open flames, and other ignition sources. Okay. So this is probably harmful in a way that you could set a fire, but we'll be using this safely. And there's also, one of these tubes, like when we get a shot. No, this is going to be to pour liquids or whatever. I mean, to measure liquids maybe. Okay, there's a bunch of spoons. What is this? I'm not sure.
Content.
Chemistry of monsters content. Okay. So it looks like we might need to read this because it might have safety.
This?
No. Flame diffuser. Flame diffuser.
This one or this one? Probably. Or is it?
Wait, hold on.
Oh, real quick, tell the camera what you're doing.
Right now we're collecting everything that we need from the starter kit. So we already got.
No, for the project.
Oh yeah. Right now we're collecting everything we need for the project from the starter kit. So we already got the flask, 2 disposable cups, and now we're trying to find the flame diffuser.
Oh, you didn't mention what project you're making.
Oh yeah. What?
The foam snake, right? Or whatever.
Well, this is for both. This is just.
Oh, right now, let's just get it for the first one. So you don't bring out everything.
Oh.
Okay.
Then I'll need it.
And don't put the thing on the ground.
Pulling at the camera.
You.
You don't have to yell at me, you know. It's not like it's going to be put in the video. Here.
Okay. Always comes in here. What do we need?
They don't exactly tell you here, so let's just get everything from the back.
Okay.
Right now we're collecting all the equipment we'll need for the experiments from the starter kit. And I'm not completely sure what we'll need for the foam eruption, just the foam eruption, because this is what we'll be doing first. The reason why is because the danger is lower, so it's kind of like a warm-up, and also it'll take quicker. So we're still fine. Right now we got the conical flask and the 2 disposable cups that we'll need.
Plastic tray.
Plastic tray, and then we need a flame diffuser.
Plastic tray is covered by the box.
Here's the plastic tray.
Okay, where's the flame diffuser?
And the piece. This
No,
one?
no, I don't think so.
This one?
Hold on. Pocket stove plus flame diffuser. Maybe it's here. This looks like a pocket stove, don't you think?
It's probably this.
Okay, well it says flame diffuser and pocket stove. We both need. So let's assume that's the pocket stove.
A flame diffuse.
Ooh, there's something on the bottom.
It's probably just the ball.
Oh, never mind, yeah.
Here. It's probably the flame diffuser.
We need both safety glasses
We have that.
and a smartphone stand. Probably this. So now we're just finding the flame diffuser. Okay, let's
I
see.
said it's this.
That's a flame diffuser?
Probably.
Hold on. Okay, so let's make sure we know what everything is. We know what the safety glasses is. We know what the plastic beaker, glass beaker, and glass flask are. There's 3 rubber stoppers, a funnel, a small funnel, and a funnel. There. Okay, watch out. There's also pocket stove and flame diffuser, a cork hot pot stand, and we know what everything else is.
What's the cork pot stand? Oh, is this the flame diffuser?
This seems like it could be the cork hot pot stand. Or no, or maybe it's this. Does that mean that the other one's the flame diffuser? Yeah. So one of these is the cork hot pot stand. Maybe this because it's cork. And then, how can this be a flame diffuser? Because that's probably, no, that's the pocket stove.
Wait, no.
And go.
Right now we're getting everything that we'll need for the foam eruption. And the reason why we're doing the foam eruption first is because it takes quicker, and also the danger level is less. So it'll give us kind of like a warm up.
We need the shot thingy.
Hold on, wait. Okay, we need the
Why
flask,
is it my hand?
liquid soap. Fine, here. Liquid soap is here.
And teaspoons. Oh, the big spoon. Whatever you call
It's over.
it.
Yeah, go.
Liquid soap.
Hold on, wait.
Spoon.
I'm trying to figure out what we need.
We need the spoons. As you missed the spoons.
Why do we need the spoons?
And go.
Okay, so our first experiment today is the foam eruption, which again has difficulty 2 out of 3 and danger 1 out of 3. It takes 15 minutes. So what we have here is the flask from the starter kit, this is 2 disposable cups. I think we only need 1.
Let's take one.
Oops.
Let's try again.
Hold on, I put this away. So.
We have
Yes.
everything else here. Everything else is fine.
I think.
Okay, and
Ready?
bye.
Ready? Okay, so we are ready for our first experiment, foam eruption, which again has difficulty 2 out of 3, danger 1 out of 3, and duration is 15 minutes. And at the end, our result will be like this. I read through the instructions. It seems pretty simple. So what we have here is the flask from the starter kit, a disposable cup from the starter kit.
A big spoon, that's how they
Well-
describe it.
They say a big spoon because there's a small one and a big one, so we'll be using the big one. There's also,
A shot thingy.
yeah, we'll be using this to measure 20 milliliters of water.
I think we need to put water in
Okay, and then we'll be needing the liquid soap,
it. Okay.
a bowl, and these 3 chemicals? Maybe. Okay, so one of them is the citric acid, which has 10 grams, and this one causes serious eye irritation if it's in our eyes. But that's fine because we have goggles. Which the goggles also came from the starter kit. We also have gloves, which did not come with the starter kit. It came with the chemistry of monsters. There's also sodium carbonate, which also causes serious eye irritation if they're in our eyes. And finally, there's anthocyanin, which is a food colorant, and this one is not dangerous at all, according to the label.
And this is to stir.
Oh yeah, and we have a wooden stick to stir. No, we'll be stirring it in the disposable cup, like this. Okay.
Start.
So, we're going to start now. The first thing we need to do is, with the disposable cup, we're going to pour the food colorant, the anthocyanin, into it. Oh, no, we have to measure 1 big spoon. This has 3 grams. Okay, so I'm going to open it.
Careful. Drop it. Table.
But if we do drop this one, I mean, it will be bad, but not horrible because it's not dangerous. But I'm still trying not to drop it, of course.
Did you know?
Yeah.
It's one of those that you have to push down.
Watch out.
Push down and then turn.
Put it on the table and I'll be very careful.
Push down and turn.
Okay, so with the food colorant, I'm going to pour it in. Oh, wait, no. I need to use the big spoon. Oh, wow. Oops,
That's a bit too much.
it is.
Oh, you spilled it.
Blue.
Wait, this isn't a full spoon.
No, but someone
Finish.
is already in.
Huh? I
Make
can't.
it full.
I can't. No one's helping me.
You're right-handed, right? So shouldn't you pour with your right hand because you have more control?
Okay, fine.
Oh,
Kinda even. No, don't.
that's good enough. That's good enough.
Now we slowly cap that.
Wait, so did we explain what you just put in?
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure?
This thing is kind of hard to tighten.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Beforehand.
This thing is kind of hard to tighten.
That's it. Okay.
Okay, that's the best I can do.
Okay.
All right.
Next, 20 milliliters.
Next. Oh, wait. Next, we need 20 milliliters of water.
Oh.
Let's see.
Oh, that means 10 and 10. Two times.
10 and 10?
So make it until it's at the 10 mark and then do it 2 times.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, we're going to need to do this twice. All right, there we go. This, oh, wait.
Doesn't matter if it's as long as it's close.
All right, there we go. So we're going to pour this in there.
In here.
Mm-hmm. Got it? The whole thing?
It's
Okay. And then one more. All right, here. I'll do this one. Okay. We're done with this cup. So now we're going to set it aside. We're done with the water. And now we need this. Oh, no, we still need to stir it with the wooden stick.
Don't put the water on the side of the table.
Make sure it doesn't splash. Okay, got it? Okay, I'll just set this aside.
Hey, it might fall. A stick. A stick might make it
I think
fall.
it should be fine. And then we need 1 bottle of citric acid in here. It's just the whole bottle. Watch out. This causes serious eyes irritation.
You help with it?
Sure. Put it down and I'll carefully pick it up. Watch out for your eyes. Put it down carefully.
This.
Yep, it is.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to pour the whole bottle of citric acid in carefully.
Slow. Okay. Next. And then one bottle.
Next is sodium carbonate. The whole bottle.
Push down.
Watch out, this also causes eye irritation.
Cool.
Careful.
Watch out, careful for this one.
Hold the bottle.
No, not like that.
What are you,
No,
use
right
the
hand. Right
right
hand.
hand. Right?
Not too fast.
And that's all that's in the bottle. Next.
Okay, next we add the liquid soap, which will later cause the mixture to foam.
Soap.
Liquid soap, okay. We need scissors, I think.
Yeah, let's see. Can I turn with my hand?
Watch out for the foam.
Alright, I'll get scissors.
Oh, here.
Also, there
They were down
there
here.
might be citric acid or sodium carbonate residue, so wash your hands after.
Over here, down here.
You see it?
I can almost.
Don't knock anything over.
Here.
Wash your hands after.
Just leave the scissors out. Because we need
Careful. Go wash your hands and I'll wait for you.
No, that's fine. I
Right here.
can't touch anything inside.
But there might have been residue
That's
of
fine.
whatever else. Okay. Alright, we have liquid soap here. So now we're going to pour it in. Oh, should we have the funnel thing?
Look at the picture.
I mean, there's no funnel here, but it might be safer to use it.
Yeah, let's just get it.
Should we?
Let's move that out of the way.
Get the big fun, not the little one. The big one.
This?
Alright, we're going to pour the whole packet inside
In
the
the
flask. And we'll try to be as careful as possible, but we're using the funnel just in case.
Since it has a big hole. Looks cool. It looks like the Arctic. Some part in the Arctic or Antarctic. Looks cool down there. And there it goes. All the liquids. So
I'm just squeezing out everything that's left. Okay, that should be good enough.
Good enough. That should be very good enough. Okay, ready? So we did that. Now we need to put that into here.
Hold on, let's make sure we did. Oh no, we need the bowl.
Oh, put that in the bowl.
Oh, and then clear the way so the.
Hold on.
And this. Like, where should
Watch
I
out
put
for
this? Where should I put this?
So we should find on the table.
Okay, and now we are going to.
Do we?
Oh, we should still use this because this is a whole cup.
But the thing might explode.
No, it won't. Oh, we'll do it quick. Yeah. I mean, it will explode either way.
Huh?
Well, we'll see how long it takes to explode. But either way, if we're pouring it in, if we have to do it little by little and it starts exploding, that's also going to be bad too. So I think this is the better way. Yeah.
Sure. Let me see. Wait, I'm gonna record slow-mo on this phone.
Ready?
I don't
Okay.
want to pour it.
All right. Brother does not want to pour this in. It's going to basically explode. All right. So
If
I'm
it
gonna
does.
pour in this.
If we did.
Ready?
Oh, don't put the whole cup thing in. Oh, I guess it is exploding. Right. Oh, it's starting to go up. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, slowly put the funnel up, up, up. Slowly going up. It's exploding. It's exploding still. Still exploding. Oh, no, put this in.
Oh, watch out. Here it goes.
Here it comes. And it explodes, kind of.
It's already in a slow-mo, though.
There's a
wow.
bit of blue.
So you don't even need to record a slow-mo if you wanted to because it's already going kind of in slow motion. And it's really cool. Whoa.
How long was...
Okay, now I'm going to read about how this happened. So, citric acid and sodium carbonate split into ions in water. Molecules of citric acid split into citrate anions and hydrogen anions, while molecules of sodium carbonate split into carbonate anions and sodium cations. Okay, I don't understand what that means. But anyways, one carbonate anion reacts with two hydrogen anions to form carbonic acid, which easily decomposes into water and gaseous carbon dioxide. The latter fills the bubbles and makes the soap foam in the experiment. Is this still going?
Yeah.
The reaction between acids and carbonates can be very useful. For example, the same reaction as in the experiment takes place when fizzing tablets dissolve, while the reaction between sodium hydrocarbonate, baking soda, and vinegar makes the dough airy and baked goods.
Oh, there's all the blue and purple.
Yeah, it does look really cool. And it almost looks like it tastes yummy, but you don't drink it.
And don't touch the top.
And don't put it in your eyes. How long is it going to take to... See, I don't know if it's going to
Take a
Like,
whole day.
just-
What if it takes
How
a
long
whole
is it going
day?
to take?
Oh, the whole day or a whole hour?
This is chemistry of monsters after all, so you can kind of imagine this being a monster coming out.
And how tall will the chemical thingy rise up to?
It's weird how it's all going in one direction. See, you don't see any over here. It's only on that side.
I guess we'll just have to wait here until it's done.
Maybe this is why it takes 15 minutes. Maybe it's 5 minutes to put everything in and then 10 minutes for everything to come out.
So once it gets to the bottom, it's not foamy, right? It's a liquid at the bottom?
It's kind of liquid. Foamy liquidy.
I don't know. It smells bad.
Oh, you want to tell the camera that? And then
I
you also mention at the bottom it's not foamy anymore.
I kind of put my nose in, and it doesn't smell the best, but I don't think it's too harmful because the safety here doesn't say to put this in a well ventilated place. Even though our room is very well ventilated, but my point is I don't think the smell is harmful. It just doesn't smell good.
Come on, just hurry up. It's
wait, so
starting to go to the second
So now
level.
we have to start thinking about disposal. Dispose of solid waste together with household garbage, okay? So solid waste will be like the disposable cup. And then pour the solutions down the sink. Wash with an excess of water.
Oh, it's on the second level of food.
Look here real quick.
Second
Picture.
level.
Look. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
It's filling the second
How long
level.
is this going to take?
About 10 minutes.
Does it look like boysenberry?
It looks like boysenberry icy, but I don't know how.
I'm going to turn this so they can see. Alright, I'm now turning this so you can see where it's coming out. There.
Only that part. It's so long.
Looks like a volcano, right?
It could be a year.
Well, it looks like it's almost done.
Okay, Google. How long did it take for the longest volcano to explode?
Okay, Google. How long did it take for the longest volcano to explode? Was that your question?
Or something so.
Here's what I understood from the website scholastic.com. It usually takes about 10 years for a volcano to erupt. Do you want a little more context?
No, not that kind. How long it erupts.
But what if we're getting impatient?
Carpet cleaning services near San Francisco Bay Area. The first one is Noor and
What?
Sons Art Gallery, Berkeley. On
Uh-oh.
Little Road,
Okay, Google.
1998.
Stop. She started advertising about carpet cleaning services.
Anyway, alright. Well, let me, I'm gonna take a...
Yeah, why did she say San Francisco?
I haven't. Wait, no, it's still on the second level. It's almost filling up the second. Yeah, it's the second level.
They should make it like 45 minutes or something if it's gonna take forever to explode.
Okay, Google. How long does it take for volcanoes to erupt?
10 years.
On the website scholastic.com, they say, once a volcano has begun to erupt, it usually takes about 10 years before that particular eruption comes to an end.
10 years? Yeah, maybe this thing takes 10 years to erupt. Maybe this thing takes 10 years to erupt.
I'm starting to be annoyed by the smell.
Can we just poke this stick in and then bring all of it out?
Can you open the... I'm starting to smell this thing.
Do you smell it, Google?
That's because we're closer to it. It doesn't smell the best.
Why is it going to the third level? It's still trying to for a second. Let's turn it around. Okay.
How come in that other guy's video, like the foam was like everywhere? Did we do something wrong? Or did they do something wrong?
Maybe we added two
Did we add
levels
two?
of black.
Did we do two water?
Yes,
Yeah.
we did.
Oh, huh. What's it supposed to look like in the picture? No, we did it right? It's not like it's supposed to be all foamy. Alright, wanna come back real quick?
Maybe,
Alright, come
maybe
Come
it's just.
on. I'll just say, we're gonna take a little break and come to see when it stops erupting over there. Alright, now I can stop it. And go.
We're going to take a little break and come back when it finally stops erupting.
Maybe it might take 10 years because that's how long volcanoes take to erupt.
And go.
The sugar snake has the phone eruption is all gone now, and that didn't take 10 years like brother thought. It took maybe a good 15 or so minutes before it finally stopped. So yeah, we're all done with this one. And I realized, oh yeah, and now we have to dispose of the project. So in the instructions it says dispose of solid waste together with household garbage. Pour the solutions down the sink and wash with an excess of water.
And go.
We're back and we're set up for the next experiment, which is the sugar snake. Okay, so this has a difficulty of
2 out of 3.
a danger level of
3 out of 3.
that's the most dangerous, and it takes 30 minutes. So there's 3 safety things we have to do. First is put on protective gloves and eyewear. We have that. Conduct the experiment on the plastic tray and in a well-ventilated area. Plastic tray, well-ventilated area. It's also a big room. And then keep a bowl of water nearby when working with fire. I'll carefully get this to show you guys that we have a big bowl of water just in case the fire gets out of hand. Okay, but it probably won't. Ready? So first we open a bottle. Oh, wait. So I'm reading the instructions from here because these are also step-by-step instructions, but we'll use both to help us. Open a bottle of NaHCO3, that's baking soda, and insert the funnel into its neck. So we're opening this bottle.
Oh, huh. Before that, you want to tell us what everything is?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let go, pull it back.
Hold on, no wait. No, okay. Ready? Hey, no.
Turn so that we see this. Okay.
Make sure they're all one piece of foil because these are thick.
Yeah. Okay.
And go. Okay, so for this experiment, I'm going to be using step-by-step instructions on here as well as on here. So we have double instructions. Also, what we have is a small funnel to pour things in.
3 pieces of foil that they gave us.
Matches. We have matches over here to light the fire.
Baking soda.
Baking soda, yes. This is the only bottled thing we have this time. Oh, and we also have solid fuel, I guess. So the baking soda is harmless, of course, because we eat that thing. And the solid fuel we should not eat. But it kind of looks like this. Okay. We also have 1 wooden stick
that we used for our last experiment.
but we can use the other end of the stick. Oh, and this is sugar that we got from our pantry. So there's 3 big spoons of this sugar, and which is exactly what we need.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Oh, another little thing on the tray.
Oh yeah, and I forgot. We also applied a thermo sticker to the tray, and what that does is it will.
That's not the tray.
Oh yeah, it's a small stove or whatever.
Right, yeah, and then we also have a small stove,
Yeah.
which you apply a sticker to. And go.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We also have a small stove, which we applied a thermo sticker to. And what that does is it might glow or light up if the stove is hot. So that's like a warning to us when it is hot. And then when it's not hot anymore, it won't glow. So that's a very nice thing they provided us. Okay, and now it's time to start. So first we prepare a mixture of NaHCO3, which is baking soda, and sugar. So open the bottle of NaHCO3 and insert the funnel into its neck. Be careful.
Need my help?
Oh,
Yeah.
good job. Okay, we're gonna insert a funnel.
The small one.
Here we go. Now, measure 3 big spoonfuls of sugar into it.
Okay.
Be careful.
Hey.
Oops, sorry.
Why
Here, do
did
it
you
here.
Move it.
I was trying to tell you to do it on the tray. So be careful. It's basically the whole thing.
It's
do
kind
it
of
on-
hard to scoop it off. It's kind of hard. Look that. One. It won't go down.
That's fine. Make sure it has to be a full spoonful.
I'm trying my best. A bit more.
Just hurry up. Just careful.
Can Lucy do it?
Yeah.
I really.
There's some spill on the table.
I know.
You guys gotta be careful.
Well, what did I do? I don't know.
It's kind of hard.
Just pour it from. You don't need to put in the spoon. Just pour it from. It's measured already.
Okay. This thing isn't going in.
Use the stick to push it down. Maybe. Use the stick to push it all of it down.
Yeah, it's not going through. Are you sure this is the smaller funnel?
Yeah. That's the smallest funnel there is.
There's only one funnel, I think.
No, there are 2.
Is there?
This is the smaller one. The ways.
So you pour the sugar directly into them?
Yeah, that's what it says.
But the
Into
picture
the
one,
funnel.
you saw the picture, right? Is the picture correct too?
Show me the other funnel. Where's the
It's
other
way
funnel?
bigger. I don't think the funnel can fit.
But it has to be bigger for the sugar to fit through.
This?
That's way.
Well, it doesn't say the small funnel, it's just the
Look
funnel.
at the picture.
The picture, I'm not sure.
It doesn't fall.
Looks like the small one.
Yeah, but it can't even fit through. Look. Okay, first I'm going to try pouring it into...
Hey, you're here.
Okay, I'm just going to pour it back because obviously this is not working.
Let's see.
See, there is a hole. It's just not working. So, I think that we were
What?
supposed
I see if
It didn't say the
I-
small funnel. It said the
I see if
funnel.
it even fits.
Yep, it doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit.
See, it's the small one.
But that one has a bit... No. But that one, the sugar it can go through. It doesn't necessarily have to... Oh, I see. Okay, but if that were the case, do we have another funnel?
No,
That's it.
it's only 2.
What is it? Did the sugar like all clump together? Is that why? Was it wet?
Yeah,
Maybe
it
that's
was
why.
kind of clumped together.
Maybe was the funnel wet from before? Pause.
Okay, we're gonna try again because this isn't working.
Just put a little bit there.
Okay, this is the first spoonful of sugar. We need 3. Okay. A little at a time this time so it can go through. Oh good, that went through.
If it doesn't go through this time, let's just use a stick to push it through.
It's almost through.
Yeah, maybe we should just use
Oh good, it's almost there. Almost through.
So when you shake, hold on to the bottle and just shake the funnel. Because if you shake the actual bottle, I don't know if it'll trigger some kind of chemical reaction. Okay?
Well, we're gonna have to shake
I know,
it later.
but maybe you don't shake it till later.
the sugar got stuck. I think we should just use a stick to push it through.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. That's
No, not that stick. We're going to be using that to light a match.
I know.
Alright, and go.
Okay, now I'm just going to do this. Alright.
See,
Alright, careful.
A bit of blue cloth kind of went inside.
Blue cloth?
Yeah, it stuck to the sugar somehow, like a tiny
okay,
piece.
yeah, that's right.
is it sticked on? Is it good?
It's good. Now shake it for 10 seconds. Now we're going to close the bottle. We closed it and shake for 10 seconds. 2, 3,
No, it's been 5 seconds.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
You're shaking it a bit more than
9,
10 seconds.
10. It doesn't matter. All we need to do is just mix the sugar and baking soda. All right, there we go. And now we leave it. Okay, next we fold 2 pieces of foil in half. Oh, wait, no, first- actually-
Look at the picture.
Actually, hold on. First, we place a piece of foil on the bottom of the stove. All right, here we go.
Next, we fold 2 pieces
Actually, I'm gonna place it the other way.
this way. Which way will it fit?
You have to fold it in half.
Look at the picture and that, so you know what's going on.
Here it says fold 2 pieces of foil in half. You'll need them to cover the open sides of the stove.
Uh-huh.
So you're gonna cover it this way because this is the long way. Of course you don't do that.
You do the other.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're folding foil in half. And now I'm gonna open it up. Oh, this is kind of hard to open up with
I'm
gloves.
gonna take
Oh,
that.
here. Okay. And now we've made our stove. Cover the open sides of the stove with the pieces of foil as shown in the instructions. Okay, like this.
Here, take that book with you. So, no, so you're looking at both.
Okay. Cover the open sides of the stove with the pieces of foil as shown in the instructions. We did that. And now take a tablet of solid fuel from the blister pack.
Here.
Okay, and then you're gonna put it in here.
But I thought we have to open.
Yeah, we have to open it. Do we just open it?
It's so dangerous. It's just we don't need it.
Move that little bottle out of the way so it's blocking that.
Scissors.
There, okay.
Make sure not to touch the fuel. We now have a tablet of solid fuel. And now what we do is we carefully pour. Oh no, first we take out the tablet of solid fuel. Put it inside. Good. Let's see. Place in the center of the stove. Yeah, this way. Okay. And now, we carefully pour the mixture into the recess of the tablet. Here, okay, so open that.
First, move all those other stuff out of the way.
Okay, yeah.
All those spoons.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so now brother is going to pour the baking soda and sugar into the solid fuel tablet.
No, you.
Oh, I am. Ready?
I don't want to drop all we did in there.
I'm going to move it off to here so I can pour.
Like we haven't lit up the match. Yeah, that's supposed to happen when you pour.
Okay, so it's a bit of an overflow.
That's supposed to happen.
And go.
And now we have completely prepared the sugar snake. We have the fuel tablet here, the sugar and the baking soda poured in, and the stove all ready. So now what we're going to do is my dad is going to light the fire using a match. And kids, if you don't feel comfortable lighting a fire, you can have your parents do it. Let's see. Wait, I was going to say something. Hold on. Oh, yeah. And when you're lighting the fire, be sure to take off your gloves because if you don't, your gloves could get set on fire. So it's very important to take your gloves off. Okay, and now my dad's going to light the fire.
Record.
Okay, the fire is about to start.
Aw, that didn't.
Oh, fail. I waited too long. Hold on.
Try again. Use a different stick.
No, let me distinguish it first.
Just use a different stick. They gave us,
Purple.
but the other end already had whatever.
And that's just purple colors.
Okay. But there were other chemicals on that.
It's just food coloring, so it's fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna have this start recording first. Take two.
Two?
Take two.
Oh, I thought you were gonna take two matches. How do matches work again?
Oh, give me a camera. Alright, how did they burn it in the video? How come it's not
Go to the sugar snake section of the website, and there's a section that says, "My snake is not burning. What do I do?"
Oh, really?
And there's also a "What do I do with the snake after I'm done?" So you can read both.
Okay. Okay, let's start recording here. Now I can grab it.
You've been lighting the sugar?
Yeah.
We've been wasting.
All right, you know what? I need you to help me carry this camera. 'Cause every time I go get a camera, that's when.
Yeah.
All right, so.
Here, I'll put it here for now, and then when you're ready, you
grab
can
it.
take it. Boy. For sure.
It's recording?
No, ready, set, go.
Okay. Shoot,
What happened?
I just tossed it in.
Well, why would you do that?
No, I thought maybe it'll catch on fire. All right, I think I need a long stick.
Mm-hmm. You're wasting too many matches.
I know.
No, you're not supposed to toss it in because you're not supposed to let the whole stick burn.
Okay. All right.
You have to follow the directions.
All right, this time it should work. That's what science is all about. Experiment.
Yeah, but you have to follow the directions.
I know. Okay, let's make it work this time.
This is why I wanted to go sit over there.
No, you have to be in the
Oh, yeah,
video.
goggles.
Ready? Put on your goggles.
Good.
Oh, whatever you do, don't let the match touch your phone instead of by it.
Yeah.
Okay. Because last time you were so close. Ready, set, and once you get there, then I'll move it. Then I'll start moving it. And go.
Come on, fuel.
Yeah, it's a sugar.
Oh, okay. It's on fire now.
Finally.
How about your match? Watch out. How about the match that you put in there? Do you want to extract
There's no
it?
match in there.
There is.
No.
That match.
That was part of that stick.
Yeah, that's from the stick. It's fine. All right, you want to tell the camera what's happening? Sit down. Go sit down and tell us.
The sugar snake is now starting to grow.
Is the thermal?
Watch out. Don't get too close.
The thermal isn't
The
burning.
thermal sticker still isn't glowing.
I'll just keep an eye on it. And the thermal still isn't glowing.
Let's sit down more so we
This
can see your
isn't
head. Yeah.
that hot. Sugar snake.
How did brother get to the other side? Let us know in the comments below.
But we don't have any comments.
I think we might have put the tablet too much on one side. It's not necessary. It's not exactly in the middle. But the good thing is we have the foil. So don't touch the foil. It might be burning hot.
Uh-oh. The thermal isn't burning.
Okay, so the snake is going to take a while to grow. But you'll see it grow. Uh-oh, it's going in the wrong direction.
Wrong direction, snake. It might pop out, and that might fall. It's smelling kind of like s'mores.
Oh yeah, this reminds me of my burnt marshmallow on a camping trip.
Oh, I remember that trip. Oh, the thermal is lighted up.
Oh wow! The thermo sticker lighted up. That means do not touch.
And that might mean water soon.
No water. But we should still keep an eye on the fire. It's never good to just leave it and let it go because you never know if things will get out of hand. But do not touch because the thermo sticker is lighted up.
I see it growing. Uh-oh, the fire's kind of growing. And the snake is getting out of the oven. Kind of. Yeah, I think these two projects are very smelly, kind of.
Oh, this isn't too bad. The light is barely going.
이거 칼을 쥐어서 는
The thermal sticker's a bit brighter.
Okay. And now you can see the sugar snake. Whoa.
It looks like a big blob of poop. But it's actually just sugar fire. I hope the thermal sticker becomes white.
How long does it burn? You want to tell the camera?
Hmm?
How long does it burn?
This is going to take a while to burn because, again, like the last one, I think it slowly grows.
The snake is starting to go down, starting to get a bit sad. Uh-oh, it's starting to cut in half, kind of. That's fine. The thermal sticker is still lighting up. That's a bit bad. The fire's going down. The fire's going down.
And now you can tell why you kind of need a well-ventilated place. We can actually smell. It smells like a fire.
No forest fire in this neighborhood. Anybody that's in this neighborhood. No fire yet. It's just a small one. We're just making a snake. Uh-oh. The fire's burning.
Whoa, you can see it.
Set out the fire alarm. Alright, you want to tell the camera we're going to bring this outside before it sets off the fire alarm?
Okay. We're going to bring this outside before it sets off the fire alarm. Right now we are in the backyard and we're waiting for...
Watch out, Booby, don't play around with it. Alright, here I go.
Right now we're in the backyard and we're waiting for the fire to burn out. I will say that the smell is not pleasant, but at least now that we're outside, in the position I am, I can't smell it. So this is still burning, and we have the cup of water here just in case things... So this is still burning. We have a cup of water here just in case things get out of hand. But it looks like it's doing okay. The thermo sticker is still really, really, really bright. And
Yeah, still pretty bright.
Booby, tell us about the snake.
And the snake just is growing like a blob of poop again. It used to be a long, twisty, turny line, and now it's just a big blob. Okay. It looks like a huge burnt marshmallow. Makes me want s'mores.
don't smell it. It's not good for you.
So now the thermal sticker is getting a bit dimmer, but still pretty bright. But pretty windy. Yep, the wind is blowing the fire there. Let's mention it. No fire now.
And go.
The fire has finally died out. It's been about 15 minutes maybe again. And what we have left is black. I think it's made of carbon or something. So it's just a huge black snake. It's not really that huge because it's all contained in there, but it's covering most of the area. And it's weird how it did that. I've never seen it before. So this was a really cool experiment. And I think I really liked MEL Chemistry. Overall, I like the starter kit, and the VR headset was really cool, I guess. Also, the experiments were stuff I've never done before. Like, even the foam eruption, which was kind of simple, I haven't done that. And my favorite experiment was this one, even though it did send a smell around the house and it could have set off the fire alarm because of all the smoke it was making. This is like the first time that a fire has been set in the house before, besides the stove, I think. And luckily nothing went wrong. So the smell's okay by now, just to let you know. Brother's overreacting.
It stinks.
Everyone, tell us your thoughts. Get up.
I think that's pretty cool. My favorite part was, I'll say, the foam eruption.
Sour and go.
I think this box is pretty cool. I like it a bit more than MEL Kits, but my favorite project was probably the foam eruption because it didn't really stink up the house too much, and also it looked pretty cool, and it was funner than this to do. A bit funner.
Really? I think this one was a bit more unique because you set off a fire.
Yeah, and the thermal stickers off.
And now all we have left to do is clean up. That's going to be so fun.
Oh yeah, how do you dispose this? Was it in here?
No, this one.
Oh, okay.
The way we dispose of this one is, we just put it in the household garbage. That's easy.
All right, and then remind people to order in the.
Oh yeah. And if you like this, if you like MEL Chemistry, which again is a subscription box, so there's many different experiments you can get, then you can purchase this at the link in the description.
Bye. Now I need to go wash my hands and I want to get out of here because of the smell.